here is a quick tutorial on how to use a couching method of stitching when you're doing ribbon work. If you want to see how to use a straight stitch, then check out the video I'll link above. But for couching, all you're going to do is come up through the fabric and then twist a thread so it creates this little continuous line here without being bunched up or twirled. So you want to get just the right amount of tension in the twist to be able to do that. Then I'm just going to come back down through the fabric at the top of my line here, and I'm going to leave it a little bit loose because I'm going to be bringing some embroidery thread in next to pin it down, and if it's too tight it's going to be a little bit blocky when I try to pin it in place. So I'll do the same thing by twisting the ribbon and bringing it down through the fabric, leaving a little bit of a loose area for the next two flowers here. Now that I've got all my little pieces of ribbon in place, I'm going to knot it off at the back of the fabric and trim off the excess ribbon. Then I'm going to grab a matching color of embroidery thread with just a couple strands, and I'm using a size 10 embroidery needle for this, which I have linked in the description if you're wondering which needles I use. And then this is just going to be like regular couching. I have a tutorial I'll link above too, just for regular like embroidery work, but for ribbon work, since we've already come up through the fabric and back down with our ribbon, we're just going to couch it and pin it in place where we want it to be. And for this piece, I'm just going to pin it along the stems of my little flowers here. And this one in the middle is a little bit curved, so I'm just going to come up at the bottom and make a couple tiny little stitches to pin it in place along that curve. And this is where, when I was saying before, it's important to leave the ribbon a little bit looser on the top of the fabric, so that way you can pin it in place without having any issues of blockiness or just being way too tight to move around. When you're all done, you can tie a knot on the back of the fabric, and that's all there really is to it. Let me know if you try ribbon work. I'd love to hear from you, and please join me again next time. Thank you.